One in a billion. They never wanted to let us in. Guess who's stepping in the building? Stayed up till I came up. I ain't had nothing but a vision. Yeah. Ooh.
Swear my team move way too different.
Hey, yeah, we 1 in a million.
Ha! 247365 building.
Got no love for the system.
Swear my dreams are way too vivid.
Hey, no one network got to unlock from the beach to the business district.
Yeah, ECB on repeat, taking over. Tell your brothers and sisters. Hey,
That we 1 in a million.
247365 building.
Got no love for the system.
Swear my dreams are way too vivid. No one network got it on lock from the beach to the business district.
Yeah, ECB on repeat, taking over. Tell your brothers and
1 in a million, 2 young guns on the come up. Triple that pay, get the funds up. All terrain in that 4x4. 5 and a 5 when they ask for the number. Got my team watching my 6, only 7 or 8 that I call my brothers. Came from 9 years old with a dream, now 10 of us up on stage at the function. Up in the gym like Rocky. She said I moved too cocky. I said, baby, come try and stop me. I've got beats that are way too poppy. They get mad cause they got tall poppy syndrome. I like sativa, not the Indo. I like a boss chick, not a bimbo. JK, tell them what's poppin', big bro.
okay, throw flame when I spit flows. Seems ever since I was 14, I was chasing the dream. It was me and my big bro. Wanna throw shade my way, better kick stones. Never listening to haters. 1 minute wanna talk shit, next minute hop on the dick as if I was their favorite team on top. But we came from the basement, elevate. We just been putting our time into finding a better way. Now we on the way to the Hall of Fame.
When we have a circuit, it goes, it's like playing that game when you're cutting, the surgery game when you're a child and you touch the sides, it goes, and you've killed them. So if there's a circuit...
That and it gives you an electrifying shot, which all the kinky people love.
When I press the button, I should hear a beep here. Oh, no beep when I press the button. It is working. Open circuit, no resistance. But now the power should be between here and there or something. No. If I press that button, yes. Okay, how about the other side? Open circuit, no resistance. But now the power supply should be between here and there or something. No. If I press that button, yes. Okay, how about the other side? Other side does not work. Oh, you can stop now. Oh wait, no, you have to do it again. No, you can stop now. I'm kidding. You can stop. I promise.
I'll turn off the...
The switch is magnificent.
And that's not good.
It doesn't bloody work.
The switch works. The switch is good. I love the switch.
Can you test them together?
I love you, switch.
It makes the beep noise.
It makes the beat noise.
Makes the flat line.
Okay.
Flat line.
This is your time to shine, Sophia.
Oh,
Are you looking forward to it?
not really.
It looks like a really hard job.
Sorry if I stepped on you.
Right, take that off. Actually, I have to get these 2 things out, that thing, and then I want to see if you, don't get upset if you can't do it, because it doesn't matter. But if you can peel all this plastic off without breaking, I will be so impressed. I'll be impressed either way.
Will I get a pay raise?
No,
Oh, where's that tape gone? That's right, we better take this window up.
you dumbass.
I can't get it.
Put it up.
I can't get it to go in there. 1, 2.
Yay!
Oh. You can go the other side, Sophia, please.
I'll do it. Next.
Three white idiots try to fix a car.
I'm not an idiot. What, are you gonna put it over again? You know, I got it.
Duct taping the car to a window.
cards on it?
A window.
It's a speed mod.
No, it's duct tape.
It's a speed mod.
No, this is Patrick.
This is Speedman. No,
And
this is Patrick.
this is why I do a nuclear bomb meme. I knew it!
Chernobyl has exploded once more. Good day, sir.
I don't think this is a factory.
What?
Uh,
How did they fit that in there?
so that's where my morning wood has been.
Ew, that is touch bubbles. No.
It went in the car.
This is not bits of plastic that were broken when I removed the. No. Edit.
I love how I zoom in and you just like look at it. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist.
Don't look over here.
No.
Dog poo. Meow.
Oh, I don't want to break this.
It's a baby.
Please do.
It's adopted.
Oh no, I did break it.
Yeah, see, you mentally broke it.
Mentally.
No,
And physically.
did you actually break it?
No, but I am mentally and physically broken.
Same.
We all are. Fuck Donald Trump.
Oh.
Fuck Donald Trump.
Yes, it survived. This is 40 years old and it survived.
Now to use it as a traffic cone.
It's more
Let the peeling begin. I bet you there's a special method to peeling.
And we're gonna piss off everyone by not doing it.
Yes. Let's do some calm, relaxing noises for her so she doesn't scream as loud.
Play annoying memes.
Dee-da-dee-da.
No.
Is this an annoying sound?
Please. Please, just shut up.
Oh, oh wow, that was scary.
Oh no.
Are you okay?
It broke.
Yes.
Good work, you're doing good there.
We have pissed you off.
I'll meet you on the other side. I feel like we are coming closer together.
I accidentally broke it.
Even though we are torn. Get together.
Come together.
Now kiss.
No,
Okay,
they
you
broke
broke.
up.
The
they had a
mortgage didn't go
child.
off well.
They had a child.
Well, that means that we now
They broke up and they had
do
a
not
child.
care about this plastic film, as we will find a replacement plastic film, maybe the Aussie way,
Something
glad wrap.
fell.
Instead of the German way of actually giving a shit.
Speed mod.
Owie.
Ouch.
Engineering at its finest.
What if no one laughs?
I don't care.
What if
We don't give a shit.
What if we're the only ones?
I've been bullied all my life. I could not care less.
You've been bullied all your life. You can stand to do it a bit more. That's what the age of being a grandpa is.
Grandpa Kale. Grandpa Kale.
You're just being bullied, just nicer.
We have children.
Okay, let's have. It's about recess time, isn't it?
Hey,
What?
is it recess time? I can't tell.
It's almost recess. Now.
Okay.